Oh, there he is.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Wow.
Holy cow.
Oh my God.
Oh, whoa. Come on. That's so scary.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Holy cow.
Holy cow. That is crazy.
I don't want to
So what a man coming down right there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep.
I don't know.
I wonder if he can even see us. Yeah, he probably.
I would probably scare the crap out of him.
Gotta focus up there.
I think he's leaned back more than his feet is.
Whoa.
Is she coming outside?
Dude, I can't do that.
Here he comes. Now look at the window.
Oh, can he not see in here? I guess not.
Dad, should
Or
we
he's just not looking over. I wouldn't
Oh.
look over.
Oh,
No, I wouldn't
man.
either.
Wow.
Keeping that city credit together, ain't he?
Holy cow.
Oh my god. And I thought
That is
practice
so-
was
Okay,
hard.
okay.
It's going a little faster now. That is so scary.
He see you? Huh? Does he see you?
He's down too far.
Oh, okay.
Now should we go all the way down?
Yeah. He's doing awesome.
You see how far that is down?
Okay. Eric, how'd your dad do?
Good.
Sorry. nice comment, Eric.